Hello, my name is Jason Simonetti, and I would like to welcome you to our virtual open house here at Brecksville Broadview Heights High School. I'm a business and technology teacher here at BBHHS. Today, I'd like to specifically talk to you about our AP Computer Science Principles course, or AP-CSP, that your student is enrolled in this year. AP-CSP is a full-year course that meets during second and fifth period each day in room 163. By now, students have gained access to our Google Classroom site. It's through Google Classroom that will be a main source of class communication and where assignments will be posted on a daily basis. Students will also be using Code.org. Code.org is an endorsed provider of curriculum by AP Computer Science by AP for AP Computer Science Principles. It's within Code.org that we will be learning, creating, and practicing many of our programming skills. In addition to that, parents and students can also gain an understanding of the course through Progress Book. Out in Progress Book, I've incorporated a page relaying class information as well as classroom rules and weeks at a glance. So you'll be able to kind of follow along and understand what we're doing at any given point in time during the school year. Within AP-CSP, we will work to kind of build a foundational knowledge of modern computing. Our course covers 5 main topic areas related to programming, algorithms, the internet, big data, as well as digital privacy and security. Through each of these areas, we look at the societal impact that computing has on each one of those different topics. Our goal of the course is to build foundational knowledge and skills, as well as prepare students for the practical and written assessments that are a part of this course. Through participation in this course, students will gain an ever-increasing understanding of the digital society, the economy, and culture, and how they all thrive together. As far as the assessments are concerned within AP-CSP, there's 2 main components that make up a student's AP score. The traditional part, which is the multiple choice question test that happens at the end of the school year, is roughly about 70 questions and will account for 70% of the student's overall AP score. Students will have 120 minutes to complete this multiple choice assessment test in May. The second part of the process comes in the form of the Create Performance task. Within the Create Performance task, students work to create a computing application that helps to solve a real-world issue. This creation that they come up with and also make accounts for 70% or 30% of that student's overall score. Students will have 12 class hours in which to complete that. And generally, the AP performance task comes roughly at end of April, beginning of May type time frame. As far as classroom expectations are concerned within AP-CSP, I ask students within AP-CSP to challenge themselves each day. Students should actively engage in the learning process and do the work necessary to gain a better understanding of material. Failure is a part of the process in programming. Programs should learn from their mistakes and work to do better the next time around. Within our course, we'll also work to build relationships among members of the class. Programming is a very community-oriented type space. Everyone in this class comes in with different levels of capabilities. We ask students to embrace each other's differences. Students should work and problem solve together in order to achieve their goals. Finally, students should act with purpose and pursue their goals. And they should work to grow beyond their capabilities in order to maximize their potential. Programming is a skill that will allow our students to be very competitive in the global economy for years to come. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions or concerns related to AP-CSP, please feel free to reach out to me via email. It's truly a privilege to work with students and families in the Brecksville and Broadview Heights communities. There are many parts to this school year that will be a challenge, but by being creative, remaining flexible, and working together, we will overcome those challenges and help our students achieve their learning goals.